dal is made with lentils. I love cooking with yellow split peas because I really love the taste and the texture of them. Okay, so I've just got some olive oil heating up. So I've got some turmeric, some cumin, and some cloves. Just give that a stir, and then we're going to add in the chopped onions. And give it about a minute or two, just for the onions to start to soften. So next we're going to add our yellow split peas. I've had these soaking overnight in water. Give it a stir. So next we're going to just add some water. We're really just going to add enough water so that we cover the split peas. Next we're going to add a can of chopped tomatoes. I've got organic tomatoes here. So that's been going for about an hour now. The fluid has reduced quite a bit, and so we're going to add our delicious diced dried figs. They're going to add a beautiful sweetness. So leave that for about another hour, just simmering away gently. The rest of that fluid is going to boil off, and then it's going to be ready to eat. And now your dal's ready to eat. And I've got some basmati rice here. I hope you enjoy it.